touch by Castafi, K-A-M, please subscribe and like this like. Thank you. I still hear your voice and your face next to me. I still hear your touch in my dreams. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. That's what I'm doing.